Hey guys, what's going on? It's Marlon. Hey guys, in today's video, let's do some cool YouTube video ranking, right? I mean, I think this is a cool YouTube video ranking strategy. I think it's a great way to get more views to your YouTube channel, and we're gonna talk about doing it, guys, with uh, with videos. I mean, not videos, with keywords, right? Playlists, tags and thumbnails. Okay, let's talk about how we may be able to get more YouTube views to our channel, to the videos we actually doing on YouTube using keywords, playlists, tags, and thumbnails, right? So guys, let me show you what's happening, guys, and what I'm doing, what I'm excited about, and what you guys should start doing too if you're a video marketer, right? If you're an email marketer, if you're an internet marketer, somebody you know. Again, you're putting up your own videos on YouTube. I'm just teaching myself as I go, right? And it's a beautiful thing, guys. And so I'm going to share it with you guys. Okay, so look, I'm on my channel, right? You guys know. I talked the other day in a video, in case you guys are considering getting your own YouTube channel, right? You can go to places like Fiverr, have you some cool video art created, upload your picture over here, right? Do all that cool stuff. I even got a cool little video of me over here. But that ain't what this video about, guys. Although that helps in the branding process, right? We're talking about doing our own thing, speaking our own success into existence, guys. And this is just one more incredible technique, tactic, strategy that I'm teaching myself as I go. I am a work in progress, and so are you guys. And we always speaking our success into existence. Okay, now check this out. So anyway, I'm on my channel, right, guys? So I'm going to click customize channel, right, while I'm on my channel, because I'm going to bump over here and I'm going to show you guys something that I want you to see. You guys know my computer is extremely slow, right? For some reason, I got to get rid of it to get this, change the speed. Anyway, so guys, once I've done that, I'm going to go to my video manager, okay? I think I've been inside the video manager on a video a time or two. I think you guys have seen me get back here inside of the video manager, and you guys know that's where all you can go back here, you can edit your videos, you can do whatever it is you want to do, right, inside of your video manager on YouTube. There are also some pretty cool analytics and things like that that you can check out, guys, inside your YouTube channel. I'm not going to get into that tonight, but I can tell you that it's a great way to track and see what you're doing, right? And so in this case, we're talking about hopefully getting more views to our YouTube videos, right, by using keywords, tags, thumbnails, and what did I say? Keywords, tags, thumbnails, and something else. Anyway, I'm sorry, guys. I'm a little distracted, right? So let's get in here. Let me show you guys something. Let's talk about the keywords first, right? Now, guys, every time before I ever do a YouTube video, right, what I do is I will go out and I will do some keyword research, right? That's the very first thing that I do based on the topic that I want my video to be about, right? So every time I go inside to look for another strain of keywords, that's a whole new audience, right? Possibly, right? Potentially, that I can tap into, because I'm basing my keywords around what I think people are searching for in the YouTube search. So, I'll go do the keyword. This is how I'm going to grow my channel. This is how you can grow your channel. For every strain of keywords you create, that's a whole different audience. A whole set of people may be typing that phrase, those keyword phrases into the search, and a whole new bunch of people finding you, right? Right? So that's why you want to do that keyword research first, right? Start creating an audience based on the keywords that you're creating, and you're going to end up putting in your description area, you're going to end up putting in your tags, you're going to end up writing up your blurb inside of your YouTube video description area, and you're going to even create a thumbnail for it, right? We're talking about getting more exposure, right? Growing our business, right? Doing all that good stuff. So I do the keywords research. Wow, that was a lot. Okay, so we do the keyword research. So now, guys, let's say, okay, I've done my keyword research. I've loaded my video onto YouTube. Now I'm going to watch this. I'm going to take myself over to my actual YouTube video real quick, right? And I'm going to pause it. If I want to pause it because I want to show you guys this. Hey, by the way, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put this video up the other day. I was talking about relaxation, right? You guys know I'm going to be putting videos up of that because I want you guys to find the time to relax, right? We all got to do that. Now, it don't seem like I'm relaxing too much right now, guys, because remember I said when I'm doing this, I'm in the zone, right? So anyway, so I'm going to come down here, guys, right? And see my analytics. I talked about those things you could check in terms of different information about your YouTube channel, how it's performing, stuff like that. But I'm not going there right now. We're not talking about that. I'm going to go to edit the video, okay? In this video, we're talking about getting more YouTube video views. So I talk about keywords, tags, you know, the description area, thumbnails, stuff like that. It all helps, right? So again, when my computer really wakes up, right, when it decides to, okay, cool. Now I'm in here, right, guys? Oh, I said playlist. That was the other thing, by the way. I'm just figuring it out. I'm just getting around to that, right? Okay, so there's my title. I've done the keyword research on this title before I uploaded the video. Then I recorded this video based on the keyword research. I saved it to a file, right, on my screencast or my screencast software for my videos. I saved it as a file in there. Then I uploaded it to YouTube the same way. I told you guys in the video the other day that YouTube looks for that. It is looking for, you know, search engines are looking for this. That's what I did first before I even shot, put the video up. But once I got the video up, guys, I took that same keyword research and I just put this one up. And I'm going to be I change them out periodically. I watch them and I can see the keywords that I did the research on, how they're ranking, right? Haven't got anything on this yet, guys. The video's still new, but I'm looking for the lowest numbers I can possibly get because that's going to help in the search. So that's where the tags come in, right? Based on that keyword research you did. Right, you got the title, right? You got a blurb up here in the description area. You're also going to be talking about the same thing you're talking about in your title, and you're going to mention it somewhere in the YouTube video description area. You're going to put your tags in, right? And I talked about this in another video the other day, and I said some people don't like to do it. They don't think it makes a difference, and believe it or not, I can't believe this video actually doesn't happen. But what I'll do is I'll usually take the same keywords that I put in the tags, and I'll go down just below my name, and I'll put them in there, right? But we're not doing that. And I didn't do that for this video. I usually do it, right? Okay, so anyway, you got that done. Every time you make a change to your YouTube video, guys, you're going to have to hit save. Now, I didn't do anything significant, so it's not telling me that I need to save it, but you would have to save it, okay? So now, guys, we're talking about getting more views to your YouTube videos, right, through keywords, right? Tags, right? I said thumbnails and I said playlist. There's your title based on the keywords. There are your tags based on those same keywords. I didn't put them up there. That's okay. Inside of my description area, I'm talking a little bit more about whatever my keywords are. Over here, guys, this is where the playlist is going to come in, right? You got the tags, right? You got your tags down here. You got your keywords inside here. You're doing some stuff. A little bit of stuff you got to do. Then, guys, I come to my playlist, right? I click playlist. And you can see, guys, I connected each of these videos. I connect them. Not only, I got several playlists built up on YouTube. So what I'll do is I'll connect this video to every single playlist. And since I'm in here, let's go on and connect it to them. I got to go through my channel, guys. Some of these playlists I'm going to be taking down, but I'm going to save it. Remember I said you got to save it. Sometimes if YouTube's acting funny, that save will come back up here, but it's cool. You can see my changes will save down here. So let's look over what I did real quick, and let me go back to my channel, guys, and let me show you something. There's the title based on the keywords, right? I got somewhere in the blurb, I'm mentioning the same keywords, right? And I probably got 1,000 misspellings in there, guys. Don't worry about that, right? You come down here. Usually I put them down there at the bottom as well. I also take the same tags, and in fact, I don't even have all the tags that I'm going to put in here yet. I just did this video today. I watch this. I watch my tags, right? After I did the keyword research on them. So now you got the tags, the title, the keywords, the description area, right? And you're adding it to your playlist. So guys, let's go to my channel real quick. I'm going to buck back over here to my channel real quick, guys, because what happens over time, right? Over time, it just helps your videos in the search. And there's some other cool stuff that I do too, guys. But you got to be a member of the laboratory to know what that is. Anyway, look, check this out, guys. Okay, so I'm on my channel, right? It's going to pop up. And what did I want to show you guys? Okay, I'm going to go to my videos. I'm gonna pop over here to my videos, right? And this is what I do, guys, right? So some of these videos, excuse me, guys, I gotta look old, right? Some of these videos I just put up 5 hours ago, 6 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 10 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago, right? 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 I'm searching for brand new people, right, that I want to connect and interact with. So I'm using different strings of keywords on all these different videos. Ultimately, guys, the search can't help but bring you more traffic and more views to your YouTube channel, to you, right? And the other thing I wanted to mention when I was in here, guys, it was something else I wanted to mention to you guys because I thought it was pretty cool. Oh, I didn't talk about the thumbnail, guys, but there they go. You can use a simple picture for a thumbnail, right? I was in a video the other day and I was telling you guys you could go to places like Fiverr to have thumbnails done, and you can. I don't really necessarily like to use them too much. It depends on what I'm doing. Of course, for my Marlon's Monday Morning Motivation, my Training Day Tuesdays, and my What's Trending Wednesdays, keeping it 100, yes, I will create thumbnails for all of those different videos because, again, guys, what am I doing when I'm doing all of this? I'm also branding me. I'm branding myself, right? And so I just wait and let the search do what it does, right? And sometimes, well, you guys, the more you do this, the better you will get at it, right? Ultimately, you guys will be able to upload all types of videos to your YouTube channel that's pertinent and relevant to the products and services that you're promoting, right? That's redirecting to you based on your keywords to search, right? What you're doing. You're making yourself internet famous, guys. That's part of what one of your goals should be, right? You don't have to be internet famous like who's internet famous? Oh, I mentioned I mentioned Billie Jean is marketing the other day, right? I mentioned Russell Brunson the other day, right? I could go on and on and on about the type or level of internet fame those guys have achieved already. But all I'm saying is we all start in the same place, right? We all start in the exact same place. So depending on your level of commitment, right? And if you're really serious about email marketing, right? And internet marketing, guys, this is just fun. That's all this is. It's just fun, guys. Great way to create some generic free traffic, right? Great way to do some cool branding, right? Great way to hone your skills, right? Great way to get better at your craft, guys, to become a better copywriter, right? To speak your success into existence, literally. Anyway, guys, I'm doing some cool testing right now, and I'm watching what I've done. I'm gonna get off this video, but what I've done today is I run some traffic. Keith, I ran that traffic, man. And the reason why it took me a while, because I talked to you guys in another video, I was telling you guys that I was trying to find a page that the solo ad providers were telling me was mobile friendly. I've been checking the page myself. It looks mobile friendly to me. Obviously, it didn't look mobile friendly to them. Found a solo ad vendor to do some testing for my dollar for dollars, and that testing is underway as we speak. I don't know when this traffic is going to be finished, but when it does, guys, I will come back and I will show you guys the results on the amount of leads I was able to generate, specifically, exclusively using the SMS phone leads number. All the traffic you're going to see inside of this video that I'm going to do when that traffic is over is coming from the SMS phone leads virtual phone number. And I want you guys to see that because you guys keep hearing me talking about that. And if this goes off like I think it will, and this is just a test, my dollar for dollars hasn't officially launched yet. That's why I'm testing some things out. Then, you know, that SMS phone leads coupled with the different capture pages that I'm creating. But now specifically when it comes to the SMS phone leads, it will really be that vehicle that I'm actually going to use to just really take the business to an all new level. Capture pages are fine. When you can combine that with the power of what the SMS phone leads system can do, guys, it goes off the chart. Okay, I'm done. Guys, I appreciate you being on the video. If you are a video marketer or an inspiring video marketer, guys, and you ain't never shot a YouTube video and uploaded it to YouTube a day in your life, I'm telling you guys, one of the most rewarding and fun things you're ever gonna do, guys, is to start doing your own thing, right? Go shoot a YouTube video right now today. I don't care if it's on your mobile device. Upload it to YouTube, guys. Hey, first go create a channel. But when you do all that, start doing this, right? I just had, I don't even supposed to be on the computer, guys. I just had to come back in and do that video because I'm excited about all kinds of stuff. Anyway, thanks for being on the video, guys. That's my time. As always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to live in a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.